On the road.
Hola.
I was packed up. Unfortunately found a gash in the tire late last night, so went back and forth, decided to swap it out. It was a tiny little cut, but
Why risk it?
I asked the Facebook world and the forums, and it was 50-50. A lot of people said, why risk it? The other half said, you've got this. And then a few people were nasty, but that's the internet. We got here really late, way after dark. And the spot we got is on the end, under a lamppost.
Not the spot we got, the spot I chose.
The spot she chose. I was trying to.
I probably paid extra for
I'm in a good mood, so I wasn't even blaming her. She won't take the credit when she's not being given it. Duh. Normally I'm grumpy because this is a late, let me flip this. Normally I'd be grumpy because I'm like late arrival, really nice campgrounds from what we can see in the dark, and the only things we can see in the dark is our area because the spot we're in has a spotlight on it. That light, our camper. Good news is all the Grand Designs have like these blackout curtains, so not too worried. The curtains in our old camper would not have stood up for this. This is a castle actually built by hand.
Yes.
By a guy that built it up until he died in his 80s. I think I overheard the tour guide saying. Loveland Castle out in Cincinnati, Ohio. I found this just looking for things to do in there and stumbled across it. It's very cool. They've got, technically they're all knights. The original owner was knighted, so then he started the group here, and over the years has continued to build the group. I think it's Knights of the Golden Trail. So we passed some other knights inside, some sirs, if you will. I think Sir Michael was in there giving tours. So
it's beautiful.
Yeah, it's really interesting.
It's amazing to think like he built this into his 80s by hand.
Yeah. And he said he pretty much did it by himself, is also what he had said. It was a project he started when he retired and just kept going.
I mean, it's amazing. And the grounds are beautiful.
So come check it out if you're... We were actually down here near the Kings Island amusement park, so if you're down in this area around Cincinnati, Ohio, come check out Loveland Castle.
Only $5 a person. Kids, I believe, are free. So, super cheap, nice little afternoon getaway.
It's cool. I don't know.
It's really nice.
I'm a fan of medieval stuff, so this was a cool little...
Sir Joshua.
Yeah, I wish. Gosh, make that happen. Anyways, we're gonna go finish up walking around and come check it out.
Look ahead, look astern, look the weather in the lee. Blow high, blow low, and so sail we. I see a wreck to windward and a lofty ship to lee, a sailing down along the coast of High Barbary. Hail her, oh captain, he called o'er the side. Blow high, blow low, and so sail we. Oh, are you a pirate or a man of war, he cried, a sailing down along the coast of High Barbary. Pirate or a man of war, cried we. Blow high, blow low, and so sailed we. Oh no, I'm not a pirate, but a man of war, cried he, a sailing down along the coast of High Barbary. for broadside, they fought all on the main. Blow high, blow low, and so sailed we, until at last the frigate shot the pirates' mast away, a-sailing down along the coast of High Barbary. With cutlass and gun, oh, we fought for hours 3. Blow high, blow low, and so sailed.
Working on an additional wing he hopes will someday be a chapel. He continues to work, knowing that it might not be completed.
Oh, sometimes I don't feel like it, but I work that thing. No, I want to probably get this done.
We are packed up and ready to go. We are leaving Camp Cedar out by Kings Island. This was a really nice campground. It's a camp resort. It was beautiful.
Resort is an understatement. I mean, it felt like a luxury hotel.
There's some weird things that feel unfinished, and some of the pads are concrete, but then some areas they're just asphalt. So I know they were plagued with time and budget issues, so maybe that affected it, but this was a beautiful resort. You could easily come here, spend a week or a weekend and not have to leave. They've got food on site, a bar on site. All the sites are really nice.
Store. Yeah.
Yeah, the grocery store had a good amount of amenities. A lot of things that we've had to go to the store for in the past, they had here.
Yeah. So I mean, I think that once they start to figure out, you know, how everything works and only being open a couple months, that they'll get in a groove and this place will be awesome in the summer next year.
Yeah, this was a really nice campground, and we'd like to come back with some family. There's cabins.
Yeah, and Kings Island is 15 minutes away.
We did not go, but we're okay with that. Yeah, so this would be a great place if you have family that don't have a camper or a tent or don't want a tent. You could come here, meet up with them, and have them cabin it. So
they're beautiful.
Camp Cedar out by Kings Island. Check it out.